Hi, this is Aniet from Argo Prep. If you're watching this video, that means that you're interested in our 30-hour live intensive SHSAT course. You've asked and we have listened. We have gotten many requests from parents whether or not we'll be hosting some kind of crash course boot camp on the SHSAT exam, more of an individualized attention. So yes, we have created a 30-hour live small group session. This is going to be a small, intimate group, obviously online, where we are going to get to know you much better. We're going to know you as a student. We're going to know where you stand, what your weak points are, and we are going to go ahead and raise your score up to get the target score for the specialized high school that you would like to attend. Now, this is very serious. It's not an exaggeration. The seats are limited. We are not going to take on any number of students. We are taking on an extremely limited amount of students just because to run this program, we need the resources, and so we've dedicated the resources to create an amazing program. We're probably going to run about 15 to 20 students at most. We're going to accept for the entire program. The classes won't have 20 students online, right? It's going to be for maximum 5. It's going to be a one-on-one attention, and it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be intensive. It's going to be super competitive as well, right? We're going to prepare you for everything you need to know, and you'll be taking many diagnostic exams to see where you stand, what your weak points are, what you need to work on. There'll be homework assignments that you must complete. Yeah, if you want to get into a specialized high school, you really need to go and listen to what we say, okay? So there's work required. However, it's end of August, right? We just have September and October. All I'm asking from you is 2 months of dedication, okay? 2 months of hard work, and your hard work is going to pay off. So what you're going to get is 30 hours of live instruction. You're also going to get homework assignments. These homework assignments will be reviewed. We will go ahead and check them, and we're going to go ahead and target to make sure your score is enough or goes beyond so you can go ahead and get into a specialized high school. For those of you who don't know me, if you're just watching this, my name is Aniet Chowdhury, co-founder of Argo Prep. We're one of the leading providers of supplemental educational products nationwide all throughout the United States. In terms of specialized high school, if you don't know me already, I am the author of 4 best-selling SHSAT workbooks that are used by tens of thousands of students every single year just for this exam. Argo Prep is one of the biggest leaders in SHSAT test prep. Personally, I've been teaching the SHSAT for probably about 8 or 9 years now to all sorts of clients, and I have an extremely high success rate. That success rate is 100% on one-on-one sessions when I have taught. So this is going to be a very interesting boot camp. Let's call it a boot camp because that's what it is, okay? I look forward to seeing you there, and if you have any questions, let us know. So if you're looking for that extra boost to go ahead and make sure you hit your target score, go ahead and sign up for our 30 hours live intensive SHSAT course. I will see you there. Have a nice day. Forgot to mention one super important thing, which is going to be the price point. Now we went ahead and separated the program into 3 total payments, each payment being $399. So of course the program cost is going to be $1,200. So once again, we have separated that, or split that, as you can say, into 3 separate payments of $399. Okay, if you have any questions, go ahead and let us know at info@argoprep.com. The payment, this entire thing, of course, includes everything: resources, diagnostic exams, online access, all of the materials that we'll be going over, and of course the 30 hours of live instruction.